Don Skaggs with the Inventors Council Louisville, Inventors Network, Kentucky. We are here in Louisville. We're having a great on-location meeting here in Louisville tonight. I am here with patent attorney Chris Tanner, and I almost hesitate to say patent attorney because you're more than a patent attorney. You've got so many different cool things going on. Chris, just tell us a little bit about what we talked about tonight.
Please understand the connection between Google AdWords and trademark law.
That sums it up, and we just learned so much. We had so many questions. It was just great. We really do appreciate it. I learned a lot. I know a lot of people here learned a lot of great stuff. Now, Chris, if you had one piece of advice that you were going to give inventors and entrepreneurs out there, what would it be?
Consider, at least be aware of the fact that you can file for provisional patent yourself and you can file for a trademark yourself.
And that is in so line with what we teach here. And again, that's one of the reasons we had Chris to speak for us. We're actually, Chris is doing a double feature. He's going to be here in Louisville. You're going to see him on a recap in Lexington next week. So we're looking forward to having you there as well. So again, Chris, thanks so much for being here. It was just really good stuff. Now, don't forget, next week, March the 8th, is our Inventor Entrepreneur Workshop. You have to be a member. Membership's just $75 for the year. That's $6.25 a month. And you get access to the open meetings and the workshops year-round. So go online, kyinventors.org. You can sign up and become a member. Join us for that. Our next meeting is going to be an online meeting. You can join us from anywhere. Again, find out more information on that. KY Inventors. We're going to have Carrie Jeske. She is going to be talking to us about prototypes and demo videos that will sell as seen on TV products. So be sure and join us for that. Also, sign up for training classes. We now have training classes on learn.empoweredinventing.com. Be sure and sign up for our Idea to Income class. It is available now. You can learn at home at your own pace and learn lots of really good stuff that you need to move forward with your invention. If you're looking for a deeper dive, join us at plan.empoweredinventing.com, and that is our one-to-one consulting, coaching. Let us help you develop a strategy plan. We've helped a lot of people. Let us help you with that as well. So again, I'm Don Skaggs, Inventors Council Louisville, Inventors Network Kentucky, and I will look to see you at the next meeting, workshop, class, or on the next video.